are, Max. You found it.
A big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this week's video, but more on that later.
It's just like so wild to try to imagine that I will have running water at the land and like actual home here. It's just so beautiful, and I feel like our land has been so correlated to like rugged life to me, and sometimes with two I'm just like, it feels so impossible, but all I want to do is live up here. And then when I see the slab with the foam cut and like thinking of walls going up today, it's like my heart is just exploding.
All right, today is Friday, March 13th, and there's a crane headed our way. We're about to start our house build, the actual structure. It's been a long time in the making, and I think the next 2 days, a lot of progress is gonna happen on this house of ours. So we've got the first 2 panels up and things seem to be going very well. Mike is taking care of everything. What do you think, baby?
Ow, ow. That's so crazy. That window is, chef's kiss. That's so incredible to see those walls. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. It's like, wow. I am so blown away that this is happening for real. Like, our house is being put together so quickly. Oh my gosh. It's just so powerful to see real walls going up, enormous windows. Oh my goodness. It's so tall. Max, you see they got their welding helmets.
Mike gets to start welding now. He hasn't welded yet.
Oh, look. He's putting on his helmet. Helmet on.
He's welding. Well, didn't know he welded.
Did you see he's welding?
Yeah. How they weld it if they're a little bit of deal?
Yeah, he's like, it's kind of like, welding is like the glue stick of metal. That is our house.
The hole for all of these chickens.
So that's both levels. And then we'll have a roof on top.
Yeah.
So it doesn't feel crazy tall.
When you're in there, you'll see how tall it is.
Oh, really?
It's really tall. It'll be so nice.
Yeah, that window is going to be so, like, helpful, I think, especially in the winter.
Right.
When it's so cold and we like want to be outside, but it's like painfully cold. That is like inside outside feel.
Yeah, it's enormous.
This
But
feels so special.
Right.
It's like so special.
Go,
Wow,
Mike.
you're doing it, Lou. Yeah! Oh, cool.
Getting corners up is a really big step too for all of that.
It feels way more stable than like just the way these corners are built. You know?
Yeah.
It's like,
Yeah, because they're just welded.
So the building's in a pretty precarious state right now, and I just got an alert on my phone. Wind advisory tomorrow at 5 a.m. gusts up to 45 miles an hour. So definitely need to get some sort of truss on here tonight before that happens. So the guys are almost halfway done with putting the walls up, and a snowstorm just rolled in. Oh man.
Okay, we just wanted to give a little car cam update. We are in the back of the car, hanging out with the kids, and hi, what do you think? It's a very special day for our family, that's all I have to say. It's so beautiful to just sit here in the back of the car, yes, with my babies, and watch our house just come together in front of our eyes. We like went back to my parents' house for a nap and came back, and like half the house is built. We're really appreciating our friend Mike's welding work. It's so fun to watch the sparks fly.
I think it's gay.
He thinks it's great. But yeah, we are loving this moment, having a grand old time. I'm so impressed. Wow.
Halfway done.
Here's our little setup for watching the house get set up. We got blankies, we got snacks, we got babies, and we've got a view, a magical view.
All right, it's Saturday morning, and all we have left to do today is install 2 more trusses and kind of finish things up. The roof isn't going on, but everything else will be done, and I think it's gonna wrap up within 24 hours of starting this entire building. The framing structure will be done. It's incredibly windy today. We have 40-mile-an-hour gusts coming through this window, We got snow on the ground. Just a casual, perfect condition for building in the Catskills, I feel like. The weather around here is just wild.
Amazing. It's like so much to take in. That view is remarkable. The ceilings are high.
So high.
So high.
You will not feel claustrophobic in this house.
No.
It's going to feel very spacious because it has 16-foot ceilings on the side and 24 in the center.
Really? Wow, and my kitchen. Just the thought of that window just being so open. We're gonna like be able to see all these sheepies. One day I'll probably be looking out the window and to see you run around playing outside. You and Willa. Maybe you'll go like sledding down the big snowy hill when you're a big guy.
Yeah, like next weekend, I'm gonna.
We have a shell. We have a shell. This is our house. We have so much excitement in our body. We're doing yada 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 yada. Hey, yada 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 yada. We have been watching the whole show from the back of the car. Hey, yada 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 yada. Do you see this? A kitchen window. That is enormous. But honestly, with the scale of the home, the window, and the view, it all feels perfect. And there's so much time for us to figure out the details of it. But we've got a lot of progress. That was a really wild, like, 24-hour period. Oh my gosh, it's really cold today. We're gonna be so nice and toasty in here one day.
A big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring this week's video. I built a sign-up page for our new cooking course real quick this morning while Dana and Max were making breakfast. I really love the ability to add video backgrounds so easily into a page. And the fact that the website does the heavy lifting of making the footage actually play smoothly on a range of devices without me having to tinker with codecs and export settings endlessly. There's a fallback option to insert a photo in the event that video doesn't work on a mobile device, which is a really thoughtful feature to keep things running smoothly. Having buttons like this little sign-up sheet that comes with our website colors and aesthetic saves so much time and allows me to build pages like this in a matter of minutes. If you're ready to create something of your own, head to squarespace.com/wildweroam for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, use code WILDWEROAM for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.